How to upload music to Spotify on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up Spotify. Let's wait for it to load. Once you are here, you need to click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner. Then scroll all the way down and keep scrolling till you find this section that says local files, uh, in which you will see this option that says show audio files from this device. Turn it on and then click on your library at the bottom. Let's refresh this. Uh, let's go refresh. Sorry guys, my internet is kind of slow today. So there you have it. It has been refreshed. So this local file folder is the file in which you will find all of your uh, tracks and songs that are from your device, in which you can play them just like you normally do. Let's go ahead and play this one. As you can see, it plays normally just like any Spotify song. Yeah, it's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can upload songs to Spotify from your Android device. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.